Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 search bar crash and freezing cannot type in search bar. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all press the Control Alt and Delete button and go to your task manager. After that, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Select a Windows Explorer, click on Restart, and after that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your app sections, go to your apps and features. In the search bar, type a Cortana. Click on these three dots, go to your advanced options, scroll down, click on repair. After that, click on a reset. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The third method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, scroll down and find out a search and indexing. So click run. Select your problems. So I selected cannot start a search or see result. Click on next to continue. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that press a Control Alt and Delete button and go to your task manager. After that, go to your services and find out a W search. Scroll down. Now here is a W search. Right click and if it's not started, then restart it. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu and click on a run and type a command is control space slash name space Microsoft dot indexing options. Now after opening that, click on advanced options, click on rebuild, click OK to continue and select a start menu and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.